My name is Shulamit Bernstein. I am a professional director in the Israeli Association for Atopic Dermatitis, which is the organization in Israel. 2020 was a unique and challenging year. The world pandemic was an evolving event that you never knew what is coming next. This put us and the member of our organization into a state of confusion and distress. However, the feeling of mission and purpose gave us the adrenaline we needed to act. So as soon as we were able, we started to organize webinars and virtual meetings to keep our members informed and cared for. The COVID-19 webinar were extremely popular, as well as the follow-up webinar discussing vaccine and AD. This gave an opportunity for participants to ask questions and receive real-time answers from professionals. I'm very proud at the way we were able to support our member all through this most stressful period. We created a digital summer camp platform for the families. Each participant received to the home a comprehensive camp kit completed with t-shirts, posters, prizes, workshop material that they used in online workshops and competitions. Every day, new content was added to the platform, and each child had a chart to tick when he or she followed the daily treatment plan and received stickers and warm encouragement. So although everyone was closed up at their home, we were coping with AD all together. For the Atopic World Day, we created a research study to evaluate the effect of AD on people's lives and experience of doctors in Israel. Based on the result, we created posters that we published during that week. We think that it added to the awareness a lot. A simple indication of that, of the impact, is that the fact that in the following week, first-time callers and registration doubled. This shows clearly that the awareness gives more people the chance to receive the information and support of our organization, the Israeli Association for Atopic Dermatitis. We didn't stop for a moment. Our lobbying and advocating for AD sufferers continued. Just recently, during the third wave of COVID, we were informed of a major achievement that our tireless effort brought about. From the 1st of July to 2021, atopic dermatitis will be recognized in Israel by the authorities as a chronic illness, which is something that we worked a lot for it. This will reduce drastically the cost to families for some expensive medication, and it will have other ramifications and benefit to AD sufferers as well. So one thing is actually where we wanted to create this seal that we put on creams like the American Association have done, and we already spoke with the laboratory and some doctors that will maybe help us to do such a thing, that will be able maybe to help us create this stamp that we give to cream, to OTC creams, that people will know which creams we support and which cream we don't. And this is one project that will maybe create a small income to the organization. And the second big project that we started already in the 2019, and it stopped a little bit because of the COVID, and now we are going back to it. It's that we create this stamp that we give to cream, to OTC creams, like the American Association have done. And we already spoke with the laboratory and some doctors that will maybe help us to, people will know which creams we support and which cream we don't. And this is one project that will maybe create a small income to the organization. And the second big project that we started already in the 2019, and it stopped a little bit because of the COVID, and now we are going back to it. It's that we create a program that accompany patients after they go to the doctor. It's like a special center that monitor and send all type of reminders, and it's also a place when they can call, they can ask questions, they can get guidance, they can send pictures. What should I do now? Should I go to the doctor or not? So it's a full comprehensive program that help and accompany the patient from they left the doctor till the next meeting they're going to see the doctor. We really dream about making a center, a multidisciplinary AD center in Israel, which have everything in one building, and people can come and have the dermatologist, the allergist, the psychologist, the maybe pulmonologist, and all the things and the test and the nurse and the things that they can have in one place, and also the support group. I think that GlobalSkin is an amazing idea, and we really need it. We really need help and support, because we are sometimes lonely, and we give and give, but we also need to feel that we also feel ourselves and get this big back behind us. And so although we're doing so much, sometimes it's very hard, and you feel quite alone. And it's good to know that we're part of a big thing, and it's really supporting and helping. And thank you so much. I take this opportunity to thank GlobalSkin for supporting us, so we can better support our members.